close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel SJ Fashion World. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful makeup look using just 5 products. Yes, just 5 products. Many of us don't have so much makeup products, so I have created this look for them using just 5 products. So if you want to know how I have created this look, just see my full video. So without wasting the time, let's get started. I have already used Nivea Soft Moisturizer on my face. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. Now moving towards the cream, I'm using this Pond's BB cream on my face. You can use any BB cream or foundation. BB cream gives the medium coverage. If you want high coverage on your face, you can use good quality foundation. So now I will apply this on all over my face. I will put the remaining product on my neck. Now just blend it gently all over your face with the help of your fingers. I'm not using any makeup brush for this makeup look, so just blend it with your fingers. Now I will apply this much little quantity again under my eyes to cover my dark circles and little bit acne scars. And just dab it. After applying BB cream, now I'm using V Face Duo Stick by Maybelline. It's having both highlighter and contour in it, so I'm contouring my face. So as I said, I'm not using any makeup brush for this look, so I'm just dabbing it with the help of my fingers. You can see there are no harsh lines, and you can blend it so well with the help of your fingers only. After contouring my face, now I'm using this streetwear color rich lipstick in the shade PS I'm Sexy. I will use this lipstick as a blush. Just take a little amount on these 2 fingers and dab on the apple of your cheeks. after that, just blend it well. So you can see this is the perfect color that I want on my cheeks. Not so dark, not so light. Now I'm using this same lipstick as eyeshadow for my eyes. Take a little amount on your finger and apply on your lids. The next product I'm going to use is this Lakme Iconic Kajal. For filling my eyebrow gaps, I'm using this kajal. Apply this with a very light hand. My eyebrows are already thick, so I don't need to make them so dark. I'm just filling in the gaps. So you can see I have filled my eyebrows with this kajal only. Now I'm applying the kajal on my waterline. Now using this same kajal, I'm drawing my line on my eyes. As an eyeliner, I'm using this kajal. Draw a thin line all over this lash line. Now I'm using this Maybelline XXL Pro Mascara on my eyelashes. Totally up to you. If you want to use falsies in place of this mascara, you can use, but I don't like falsies for my eye. I like to use mascara only, so that's why I'm using this. Now I'm using this V-Face Duo Stick highlighter part for highlighting my high points. Now with the help of fingers, I'm just blending it. So you're done with it. Now I'm using the same lipstick for my lips. So this is the look, but I think something is missing. Yes, my ethnic wear is not completed without a bindi, so I'm using this little bindi. And yeah, that's it. That's my makeup look using just 5 products. So I'm going to show you the products which I've used. First, Pond's BB cream. Second one is Lakme Iconic Kajal for eyeliner, for filling in my eyebrows, and of course as kajal. And next is this Maybelline XXL Pro Mascara for my eyelashes. And fourth one is Maybelline V-Face Duo Stick for contouring and highlighting. And The last one, which is a very multi-purpose, which is having a very multi-purpose use, this street wear lipstick for my lips, blush and eyeshadow. So yeah, that's it. These are the 5 products, and with the help of these 5 products you can create any look. So I have created this one and I hope you all like it. So if you like the video and like this makeup looks, please give me a big thumbs up, and yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also I will mention the products in the description box also, so please check it out. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't